welcome back to the channel. I am Karen, your favorite thrifter. Here we thrift, we look good, we save money. It's all about fashion and outfit inspos over here. So let me move out the way because I finally got my Ray-Ban. This is not what I finally doing, but I finally got my Ray-Ban, the glasses I asked for Christmas. My husband got it, so I'm super happy. So now I just gotta watch a couple tutorials to see how they work. Because you know I'm always buying these gadgets, girl. Be wanting them and don't know how they work. So I will get that together. But I'm super excited about this right here. So I am going to open up my box from the haul from Atlanta and Alabama. And I hope I remember like all the things that I got. Because it has been a while. I went to the beginning of December and child, I'm just now opening the box. I know I'm bad. I know. So let me get the box out. So today I'm just home. I'm chilling, relaxing. I think I'm gonna go thrifting today. I'm not sure. It's like 5:02. I've been chilling in the house all day. So I decided to get dressed, and I'm like, I seen a box sitting here, like, girl, let me unbox this already, and let's see what we got, because it has been a minute. So, of course I'm gonna open it up with y'all. I know you're asking, like, I couldn't wait, but I could wait, because I got so many things. So let's see. I was trying to for you there, but I guess I can't. So, I don't have my glasses down here either, because I do have a list of things that I bought. I don't remember. This says I went to the Salvation Army. I don't remember that, child. But anyway, let's get into the unboxing of the things. Now let's put this down here so I could show. So I remember this. This is cute. It's a leopard print. It's like a faux fur kind of feeling, like blazer jacket type of situation. And I'll make sure I'll style it on the side so you can see how it looks. But I did try it on in store and it was like super cute. But I decided that I'm gonna wear her like as a dress, not necessarily a jacket. So I went to America's Thrift Store, and this was $12.49, and it was so worth it. Like, look at her. She is so cute. And this was in Birmingham, Alabama. So the next item, this is from Goodwill, and this is a dress. This is super cute. I'm trying to look for the name. Of course, it would be a Zara piece. It's a Zara piece. It's an army green, cute little dress. I got from, I think this is from the Alpharetta store. This is a $7.24, and it's cute. I can't wait. It's very stretchy, so I know I'm gonna fit into that shit. So the next piece I got was this jumper, and this is our piece too. Okay, and this is an extra large. It is just like this cute little jumper. The material is kind of light. It has pockets on the side, and this was $6.24 for a Zara jumper. Like, that's amazing. So this next, my mom told me not to get this. I'm like, I'm getting it. This is a suede jacket. A suede jacket. And this is by Liz Claiborne. Now let's see how much I paid for it. Y'all, it was $7.24. Oh my goodness, look. So super cute. And it reminds me of more of a shirt. So I think I got it because, yeah, it was cute. I remember trying it on and my mom was like, oh, I don't get it. $7.24. I'm so glad I got it. Here's another receipt. So I don't remember going to Salvation Army, which is weird. So this is from the Salvation Army as well. It says it was in Snellville, Georgia. And this one says I paid $3.17. And this one says I paid $5.55. I swear, y'all, I don't remember going to Salvation Army. So, this is another Zara piece. Okay, this is one of the pieces from Salvation Army. So this was $6.99. So I assumed that I must have got something off of it because both of my, one says it's $3 and something. So it must have been this one that was off. Yeah, so this is just a cute little black dress that I know I'm going to get some use out of. And this is another black. This is Salvation Army as well, and this is $3.99. This is just a Fashion Nova dress. I was thinking to wear it like to a party or something, because if I had to do something like for a holiday party, but yeah. It was in this box. How could I wear it? So the next one that came from Goodwill, I still have them in the box. Well, the bag. So this is just a little muumuu. I love wearing muumuus around the house. It's just a black muumuu and it has animal print around the collar. And let me see how much I paid for her. Oh, here we go. And this was $4.24. It also has a belt, but I don't know if I'll wear the belt, but I'm definitely going to wear that around the house. And then, okay, here's the probably receipt from the Goodwill. So I paid $9.95 at Goodwill. So I probably got that muumuu, and then I got this cute bucket bag. Isn't this adorable? I love this. It doesn't have a name or anything in it. It's probably faux leather. I don't think it's real leather. Here's a tag here. And you know I can't see without glasses, but it doesn't say 100% leather, so I can tell you that. It don't feel like it either. Yeah, 100% vegan leather. And this was $4.99. And then here's another Goodwill piece, and of course it's going to be Zara with the TJ Maxx. $3.90. This was only $3.99 in TJ Maxx, but they have it for $6.24 at Goodwill. But I bought it anyway because this is like a little off the shoulder piece. It's really cute. You can see it's really cute. So I was contemplating not to get it because it was $4 in TJ Maxx, but it just looks cute. So I had to get it. You know I love me a good Zara piece. Period. So I believe, yeah, this was from the Unclaimed Baggage now. This is, who's it by? It's just a sweater, just super cute. I just loved everything about this sweater. The contrast of the colors. I love the puffy sleeves. I believe it goes this way. And a collar, and it's a button. Super cute. I think it might be a little croppy on me. I don't know, but this is so cute. So this is baggage unclaimed baggage as well. This was $6.99, and it's just a lace see-through top. Does it say? I don't know what that noise was. Doesn't say who is by. I know nobody is here but me. Oh, maybe that was the ice maker. Let's hope so. I don't know. So, I'm sorry. All this time my mic was not on. So, hopefully it's a little better for y'all. So, this is unclaimed baggage. Let me see what it says. This is unclaimed baggage as well. This was $2.99, and it's just a cute little sweater. Look how cute that is. It has a turtleneck, and the shoulders are like, you know, it's cute. Super cute. My mic wasn't on, so I'm hoping that it caught on. I don't know. Hopefully it's gonna be all right, y'all, because if not, this is what it is, because I'm not re-recording this, okay? This is just an unhaul video. Now, this is a little kimono I got from Unclaimed Baggage. This was $6.99. Super cute, and it's reversible, so I love that. I cannot wait to style this with like some baggy jeans. Yes, this is gonna be cute. Yes, I'm so glad. And it's quilted, it's cute. Love it. So I got this little J. Pew bag. It was a splurge. I was thinking holiday time, and I have not gone anywhere yet for the holidays. We still have New Year's Eve. I don't know if I'm going anywhere, but if I do, here I'm This was $46.99. Yeah, it's a splurge. But I used my 25% coupon that I got from Corinne. So I got it for like $36. So I hope this is not crushed, because this is like my absolute favorite thing that it is crushed. Damn it. But I think I can fix it, yeah. This is my absolute favorite thing that I got from Unclaimed Baggage, and it was a $9.99. This hat is fire. Like, look at it. So cute. So I did purchase some sunglasses. So they put it in this little paper bag. So the first pair of glasses that I purchased were these. They were $5.99. They are somebody. I can't see what it says. They are Ralph Lauren. So this hat is so fire, y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it. It's called Malish. I'm gonna look that up and see if that's worth any money, because it has like a little buckle. It's suede. The suede is real. Like, it's probably some money. So these were cute. Like, yes, it actually goes with what I got on, because I had the little burgundy and the G's in here, and then this is burgundy. Like, cute. So let me see what else I have. Oh, it's a couple of things in here. You know how you totally forget about stuff? So these little Bottega dupes, they're pearl. These were $5.99. These are super cute. I love them. I love these. Okay, love them. That's why I got them. And then I wanted the Cartier one, but somehow I ended up with the Versace one. I don't know why. Now, in the inside, it doesn't say nothing about Versace. But the other one said Cartier in the inside. And I didn't get that one. I thought I got the Cartier one. But the Cartier one was $20. And this was $7.99. But it says like Versace on it. And it's really nice, if you can see it. It's really nice, but I don't think it's authentic, but it's okay. But these are some Versace Sunnies. Now these were $49.99, and then my mom gave me her 25% coupon, so I paid like $30 something for these, and they fire. Like, they's cute. Aren't they cute? Look, they're cute. They're super cute. Like, and the gold, I'm not really a gold girl, but they're cute. So these, now I've been seeing this name pop up on my Instagram all the time. And I don't know, ever since I asked, like, who's this person? It's been popping up on my Instagram, which is crazy. Her name is Alicia Johnson, these glasses. And how much did I pay for these? I think they were $25, $30. But I think this is like somebody. But they just look cute on me. Yeah, I think these are somebody. I don't know who, but they are somebody. Cute, right? And they're really good quality. They're thick. I'm going to look it up and see how much they cost. And then these were $30 as well. And no, they're $5.99, Karen. Put your glasses on. And they say these are Soho. And these are bomb. Like, so yeah. You know, I'm a glasses girl. I love sunnies. I have a whole bunch that it's too much. Too much to mention. So many things that I got. Not too much. I didn't do too much damage. I spent like $100 or some, I think. Yeah, like at the other store, the Bargain Basement, I think I only paid 60 something because I got that bag. But on the other end, in the big store, I spent $100 something, and that's probably because I got the glasses. But not bad for, I think, $100. Let's round it off to $200. My haul was $200 or like under or less. So I did pretty good. So the outfit I have on today is just this Gucci sweater. It's an oldie but goodie. I actually got this from Woodbury Commons, which I saved my money. I have some more Christmas money coming from my mom and somebody else, but I'm going to make my husband, plus my husband wants to go for his birthday because his birthday is in January. So, and then all the crowd will be gone from Christmas. So we are going to go up there for my husband's birthday. It's really for me though, but don't tell him. For my husband's birthday to buy him some things for his birthday. So I have saved my money, honey, and I cannot wait to ball, okay? All right, because I didn't really do too much damage. I bought the kid, you know, I was being grandmom this year. I bought a lot of stuff for the grandkids. But mostly, you know, mostly clothing, pajamas, you know, stuff that they needed. Like, I felt like this year was the year that I was going to do stuff that they needed, not they wanted. Let their parents do that. But the grandma, she gonna buy what she need. And I have a lot of grandkids. I have 2 biological ones, and then I have 5 bonus ones. So, yeah. So, I love being a grandma. I absolutely love it. That is the best job, besides being a mom, that is the best job that I have. So, I hope you like the haul. And that is it for me. So, I will see you guys on the next video. All right. Bye.